All right, so we're here in a 2014 Honda Civic Si. We're gonna show you how to get this head unit out of here. First place you're gonna wanna start is in here. So up under here, right in here, there's two screws that need to come out. Once you get those screws out, you'll be able to pull on this, get this out of the way, okay? The next thing you're gonna wanna do is up under here. Where are they? Let's see if we can get some light on this for you. Okay, so right here, right there, and right over there, there are two bolts that need to be loosened. And these two bolts are, let's see what size we got here. I believe they're 8 mils. So, okay, so after you get these two bolts out, there's also a screw here and a screw here. You take those out, and then you get your little panel tool, and you wedge it here, pop it here, pop it here, pop it here, all along the edges until you can get it to release. And then all you do is pull on the unit, and you should be able to get it to come out. And I'm sure there's some harnesses hooked up in the back of here. So you plug those guys out, and that's how you get the head unit out on the 2014 Honda Civic Si.